Guys, this is a very crypto important video, so make sure you watch this video and to the end. You cannot miss anything that I have in store for you today. It is just absolutely crazy. All the news that I have to share with you, what's been going on with the Fed and interest rates, crypto's stock market is crashing today to new levels that we have not seen in a long time. All of this I'm going to be addressing in this video, so make sure you all guys watch this video and from the beginning to the end. You cannot miss anything that I have in store for you. Now, Miles, welcome back. This is Ladies and Gentlemen. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you love cryptocurrencies. If you are still holding cryptocurrencies, let me know by giving that video a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below if you guys are still holding your crypto bags despite the FUD and fear and the panic and paper hands out there. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on, because my videos are time sensitive and they are going to make or break you lots of money in this crypto market. So as we can see, we're just going to dive straight into the crypto market. Cryptocurrencies yesterday had a massive pump after yesterday's Fed meeting, which I said was most likely going to be a bullish event. Yesterday's Fed meeting, even though it was bearish, caused cryptos to pump up massively. And in my Patreon, we did put a buy alert out for a couple of cryptocurrencies like Cardano and Bitcoin. So you would have made profits in the beginning of that pump, which was crazy. And cryptos were pumping all last night. We did approach a resistance level. We're going to be taking a look at all of this, so do not worry. But yesterday was quite bearish for cryptos and stocks. The news, of course, was bearish. And that is because the Fed, they are raising interest rates by 0.75% basis points for the next couple of meetings, most likely. And this has been the highest since 1994 to slow inflation. Now, inflation is very high. And one bullish thing that they did say was that they do plan on getting inflation to about 2% by the end of the year, which it currently is at 8.6% from our last reading. So if they can do that, that's going to be very bullish and good for cryptos and stocks, the economy, and so forth. And they are trying to be aggressive so they can combat inflation as fast as possible. Now, the last time that this did happen, it did slow the economy much faster than they expected. So when they actually had to lower interest rates, they had to lower it by a lot. So it's kind of like pointless what they're doing. And it's likely by the end of the year that they're going to drop interest rates a lot again. So that's going to be very bullish. And that's probably when cryptos and stocks are going to have a very strong bull market towards the end of this year. Let me know if you agree with that in the comments below. Let me know your current thoughts on inflation, how it's affecting the markets. When do you think the markets are going to be bullish again? Let me know your thoughts below. So that's why we are seeing the volatility we are seeing today, because yesterday, for the last several days, cryptos have been crashing, going down, primarily because of this whole Fed meeting, and people are fearful that they're going to be raising interest rates higher than expected. But everything was priced into yesterday. That's why when the Fed started speaking, cryptos and stocks actually ended up going up. But today, the markets are fully digesting that information, and cryptos are actually higher than they were yesterday during that meeting. But stocks are actually much lower than where they were yesterday and where they have been in a long time. This is the S&P 500. We have not seen this very level since January. Look at guys, January, the S&P 500 grew so much, and we are back to the January levels, which is fine. I do believe that we are getting close to the bottom of the stock market, which means that we are getting close to the bottom of the crypto market. I do believe we are getting very close, because all markets have taken a massive hit, a massive dump. And that's honestly my opinion. It's not financial advice. Let me know if you guys agree with that in the comments below. But cryptos have crashed so hard and so fast that they are oversold to a substantial degree. And the last time we have seen these levels was in December of 2020. And I believe we are going to be seeing a bounce here soon. Some people are speculating that cryptos will see another big dump before they bottom out and go up. That's certainly possible. So just be aware of that, and be aware that the bearish news of the raising interest rates is still here, guys. The markets still have to fully digest it, which could take some time, could take weeks. But they have been pricing all of these drops and crashes because of yesterday's meeting. So that means that since all of the worst has already happened, at least for like the next 25 days until the CPI reading and the next Fed meeting, that we could become bullish, that we probably start to see some green again for a consecutive period of time, a consistent period of time as well. So we're going to be taking a close eye on the market and seeing if that is going to be the case. I do think that that is a possibility. And all we are doing on this channel, what we talk about in crypto, All of this is speculation. Nobody has any idea, but the technicals, looking at history, some of the things that we talk about on the channel can give us some sort of direction of how this has happened in the past, how markets have reacted, what have they done. And that's what we take into account when it comes to technical analysis and the information that I am providing. Now, another key thing that is bringing the crypto market down is the whole Celsius thing. Celsius is crashing. It's a crypto lending platform and people are not able to withdraw their funds. It's spooking people. It is spooking people. And as Wall Street Journal came out an hour ago and said that Celsius investors are unlikely to provide more funds to bail out crypto lender. So that is one of the main things which is causing Celsius to dump a lot of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. That's dropping the market, just like Luna. Luna had to sell all of the Bitcoin, so much cryptos, and then drop the market really fast. So these things back to back to back are dropping the crypto market. And I do think that there is some ill game behind all of this, that it is the whales trying to manipulate the market, exposing some of these weak points with these big companies to cause them to sell crypto, to drop cryptos further. I do think that that is taking place. So getting back into the charts, Bitcoin is still trading currently right now about 5% from the low. We saw a low that was hit almost twice, and that low is $20,100. So Bitcoin hit a first low, which was 20,900, 20,800. We ended up coming down and trying that support level. We came lower. We ended up coming lower and we hit 20,000. So just about $20,000. Try to come again and we ended up going higher. So we are seeing higher lows, at least for the last couple of days. These lows might not hold up. They may hold up. This may be the bottom. Nobody knows. But we're going to just have to see how the market can move and recover, since pretty much all of the worst news has already come. So the markets just have to fully digest this information, stock market as well. But one good thing, ladies and gentlemen, one good thing, this is the US dollar. The US dollar is crashing, guys. It's crashing very hard and very fast. And the US dollar pumping has been one of the main causes for crypto to be crashing. So it is crashing to levels that we have not seen for about a month. This was when cryptos actually began to crash. And when the dollar is getting to these levels and continues to crash as it is continuing to do so now, this is a very bullish and good thing for crypto. So if it can continue to crash and go lower, this is going to allow cryptos to recover and bounce up probably quite fast. So this may be a short-lived crash, a short-lived dump, but we will be monitoring this situation, which when the dollar is going up, it does not allow cryptos to go up. So when the dollar goes down, cryptos always usually go down. It might not be right at that second, and also stocks go down, but sometimes there might be a time delay. But seeing this big crash is a very good sign for cryptos and stocks, which we need to be seeing, which we need right now. Now, if you guys want to get access to these profitable trade alerts, even while the market is down and crashing, join the Patreon where you guys get all these constant market updates. You know what's happening at all times. I give you guys my hidden info, trade alerts, and you can even speak to me on the phone. I have a whole bunch of services over there to help you make money and stay afloat in this crypto market. And in addition, make sure you guys watch my crypto trading course. It teaches you technical analysis so you can know when to buy and sell cryptos. And also make sure you guys will claim your $4,000 deposit bonus over on Bybit. It's a crypto trading platform where the fees are basically almost free compared to like Coinbase or any platform that you're using out there, so you can execute and enter and exit trades quickly for pennies on the dollar. That's going to be it for this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for my next video. I will be most likely making another video tonight. I will see you all later.